Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Stephen John Smith. I'm from California. Today, I'm here with you. I'm share with you my Explorer experience, how and also discuss with you the most common topic everybody know about the familiarity, and main function of this topic is the topic name is how to make money online, how to make money offline, how to make money from internet, how to make $100 from internet. And guys there is a guys there is a 28 methods also available. You can earn money from internet. The first method is drop shifting. Let's start our list of with of the one most popular way to make money online. According to the Google Trends, dropshipping popularity is rapidly growth, highly and viability as a way of make money online. With the success story about how an entrepreneur make $6,667 dollars within week, and store owners make six figures selling just one product. There's penalty of proof that dropshipping is the real way to make money of online. In case you don't know what dropshipping is the business models where you can sell products to the customer, but the supplier store, package and ship to the product to your customer on your behalf. With Obloro dropshipping, you have to assess the million of products that you can add to your store. Obloro toolkit also allow you to handpick your product image, edit items, description, and give your business personalization. And this is a very great and effective tool. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you very much.